It's no surprise to discover that many of San Antonio's superheroes are right here in North East ISD.
When I come in the morning, I open up the school and I turn on the lights, open the doors, open the gates outside.
One of them is Connie Perez, the morning custodian at Dorado Elementary, recently featured on News 4's Facebook page as a local superhero.
I mean, she's the heartbeat of El Dorado. She makes sure that, we're ready to start our day, every day, on a positive note.
I'm just happy to be here because I've always wanted to work at a school.
Perez, who is hearing impaired, has been with Northeast ISD for 14 years, cleaning, disinfecting, and preparing the school.
It's key. I mean, we have to have a clean facility. I mean, if our kids don't feel safe coming to school, they can't learn. And Connie, takes it as her personal mission to make sure that we have a clean facility for our kids.
And now she's taking on a new kind of mission.
Miss Connie, congratulations on your retirement. You always work so hard.
And jumping into retirement.
I can't believe it, really, because I've worked just really all my life, and I'm going to be already 65.
Perez's colleagues say the day is bittersweet.
I've been here since 1999. So I've known Connie for about 14 years, and it's just gonna be hard to see her go.
I'm gonna miss the kids and the staff because they're also great.
Perez says one of the things she'll remember most is the nurturing environment that surrounds her every day.
Even if she couldn't hear properly on the radio, we'd always text her, and she'd always grab that really quick. That's what's amazing about her. She was adaptable.
It's not easy not being able to hear, and everyone here is just awesome.
And as for what's next, Perez says she'll use her time relaxing at home.
I'm just gonna stay home and enjoy life.
She's been a pillar in this community. She's going to be well missed. But Connie, you're awesome. You have given your time, and now it's time for you.